In the previous section, we talked about model binding. But as you can see, in this section, I am going to talk about complex types. Complex means it's difficult to understand, it's complicated. No. Let me give you an example. Imagine that I have a concept like a car and its properties. Car ID, brand, description, color, capacity, made in which country, price, whatever. If I want to deal with such things in real scenarios to save the data, for example, one of the silly ways is something like this. Let's have a look. We already created a post method which was paralyzed. It couldn't do anything. But now I'm going to add this and some more. As you can see, not only it's technically wrong, and I will lose so many other features that we're gonna teach you and talk about later. It's so difficult. If we had a model, a concept with 100 properties, then imagine what is going to happen here. So this way is gone. It's useless. My post methods, for example, needs an object to deal with. So what should I do? Let's create a folder here and call it models, for example. Then I will create a simple class and call it car, like this. So like what I had in the PowerPoint, I can create a, let's say, complex model here. Since I am lazy and I don't want to waste your time, I just copied whatever I had in the PowerPoint to here. Car ID, brand, description, color, capacity, made in, price. That's all. My model is successfully created. So from now on, I will deal with this model when I want to send the data to my action methods. How? Let's see. One of the ways is using from body. From body car data, for example. That's all. So now, anytime I want to send parameters to this action method, I will use the whole object to send the data to the body of this action method. Let's run it and see how can I deal with such things in something like Postman. Okay, this is Postman. API car. When I choose body, I have variety of options. One of them is raw, and I'm going to say I'm going to deal with JSON. Then I just entered two properties, car ID, brand. That's all. See, car is created. So this is one of the ways that I can deal with post method, put methods, or whatever inside the form body when I have to handle like this. If I have to add more property like this, I can. Another way is something called from data. Let's see. If I use from form, then things might be a little bit different, but just in Postman. So if I run it, the API again, see, nothing else should change, just this. My endpoint is the same, but here instead of raw in the body, I choose form data, then car ID. See, I can copy from here like this, something, key, brand, again, something. See, car is created. So now you can deal with post method, complex objects, and the things that you need to have a better API. But we have a long way to be able to create a nice standard set of APIs, action methods, everything. So please exercise whatever I have said so far and wait for the next sections. Good luck. Thank you so much.